Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, if you're facing app not installed in your phone, then here is the solution. So for example, if I'm going to tell you about any of the app, if you're not able to install, so here's the solution. So solution is you just need to go to phone settings. Let's click on it. We will go to apps option, click on it, and then you have to click on app management, then go to play Google Play Store, right? Click on this, click on force stop, click on storage usage, clear cache, clear data, read this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So obviously there is no requirement of these saved cache memory, or you can say these data that is not required actually. So you just need to click on delete, go back, go back and restart the phone. After that, after restarting the phone, you just go particular app you are looking for, open it, it will be resolved. So I hope this is going to help you out, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and also please hit on like button. Thank you for watching.